So we're looking at Bally Bee. It's in F major. So if your harp is normally in 3 flats, it's normally in E flat major, then you need to cancel your E flats and you need to cancel your A flats, but you can leave your B flats, okay? Now, the most complicated bar in this is bar 2 and bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 2 and bar 6 are pretty similar. So we're just going to look at that first, I think. So I want you to put your thumb on D. It's not the D just above middle C, it's the D above that. And this is with the right hand. So right hand thumb on D, second finger next door, and third finger next door. So they're all in a row. Okay. And this is what we're aiming for. I'll just play it for you again. So that's what bar 2 sounds like. Bar 6 is very similar. It just has one extra note at the end. So let's go back to bar 2. So thumb on D, second finger on C, third finger on B flat. This is how we're going to do it. Play the thumb, play the second finger. Now you can see my thumb and my second finger are both still off here. We're going to then put the thumb back onto the D. Then we play the third finger. And now before we play the thumb, we put our second finger on C, play the thumb, and then play the second finger. So do it with me now. Let's get going. So thumb on D, second finger on C, third finger on B flat. Play the thumb. You do it too. Okay? And keep the thumb off. Play the second finger and keep it off. And now put your thumb back on the D, so back on the note it was on before. Play your third finger, and now put your second finger onto C, so back on the note that the second finger was on before. Now we're going to play the thumb, and now we're going to play the second finger. Okay, so again. So you can rewind that section and go through it as many times as you like, just so you feel comfortable with it. And remember, for bar 6, you're going to do the same thing, but it's just going to have an extra C. So let's look at the beginning now. So Bally Bee, it's going to start with a root position shape, you know, where you have your third finger miss a string, second finger miss a string, and then thumb. So root position shape with F at the bottom and thumbs on middle C, and your second finger is on the A in between. And we're going to go. So I played up my root position shape, and then after I'd played the thumb, I put in an extra C using my second finger. Then we get the bit we already know. And then the third bar is the same as the first bar. So that fourth bar, it's just thumb on the B flat above middle C, second finger next door and third finger next door, and we just come down from the top. So if I wanted to play the whole of that first line, this is what it's going to sound like.